Today, I'll show you how to adjust the cutscene quality on FC25. So whenever you play FC25, you'll come across cutscenes, and you can you can adjust the cutscene quality to suit your preferences. So to do this, launch the game and select the settings icon in the upper left corner. Then select settings and choose game settings. Now within the game settings, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the display configuration options, and then scroll down and find cutscene quality. So by default it's set to half frame rate. So if you want to adjust it, you can either choose full frame rate or you can leave it to half frame rate. So choose the option that you desire, then press the apply button and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.